Today's video will guide you through assembling the Lechuza Classico Premium LS50 plant pot. I choose the metallic color in the largest size available, priced at around $109. Let's take a look at the components included in the package. I found the removable planter lining already in place. It lifts out easily, like this. This is how the floor planter looks. As you can see, it forms the outer shell of our setup. There is a drainage hole in the bottom. Now let's take a closer look at the removable liner. It is made of high-quality hard plastic. The construction and the design make it very easy to grab and lift. Here, you can see the space for the water supply shaft and some drainage holes. The legs at the bottom create space for the water reservoir. The red drain plug can be removed or inserted with a screwdriver. I choose to leave the plug firmly in place as I'm going to have the plant indoors. For outdoor use, you should remove it. This allows excess rainwater to run off through the planter. Now let's look at the water level indicator part. Remove the tape. Here's how you assemble these parts together. Now, place the water supply shaft into the liner. After assembling the sub-irrigation set, spread the bag of Lechuza Pon evenly over the bottom of the liner. You can also purchase this separately. I'm planting a polysize Fabian, a large bonsai-like tree. I'll place it in the liner, add soil, and press firmly. Lastly, I pour water into the water supply shaft. You can see the water level rising according to the water indicator. After using this planter indoors for 3 years, I'm happy to say both my plant and the pot are doing great. The plant is thriving and the pot looks as good as new. It really shows the product's quality and durability. Overall, I'm happy with the product, but I have one concern. When I first bought the planter, it cost about $85. Now, it sells for around $105. This substantial price hike of about 22% is certainly worth noting for potential buyers. I hope this video proves helpful in your decision-making process, whether you're considering purchasing a Lechuza planter or have already bought one. Thank you for watching and feel free to leave any questions in the comments below.